रास्ता बोल रहा है इंग्लिश की वहाँ पहले को दे GOLF.
Why is that?
This is the basic reason. Feel full of confidence and speak wrong English.
ओए होए कैडिलैक गाड़ी है.
My relatives is.
Your Pila school.
Oh yeah, shut up. You are ugly. Of drawing room of Qaeda-Azam. I like the Tom of Qaeda-Azam.
Tom and Jerry. अब बकवास चल रही. Horrible. Horrible.
No.
रख तो जाओ.
नहीं.
What are you doing today?
यार, I'm doing butterfly
Butterfly.
exercise.
For what?
ये रास्ता बोल रहा है इंग्लिश की वहाँ पहले को देगी.
English.
What?
Let's go.
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Shahar.
Sure.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm a rockstar and channel to my welcome. Shizma. Where are we?
We are at Qaeda-Azam Mizar.
Tomb.
Qaeda-Azam tomb.
Tomb radio nahi.
Tomb.
Alright, so today is an English vlog. Like I promised.
Very difficult to vlog today.
Why? What?
Because my English not good. It's not good.
No, it's good. Who said it's not good?
A lack of confidence. That's the reason.
A lack of confidence?
Lack of confidence.
Yeah, good. So we are here at Qaeda-Azam's Mazar. And wow. What? What happened? Isn't what happened? No, please talk to him in English, yeah? Yeah? So tell me, do you like it so far? Do you like it so far? No, English, please, English.
Please.
Please what?
I'm not in a mood, okay?
No, it's an
Because
English vlog.
I'm come first time.
You came here for the first time?
I came first time.
For the first time.
For the first time.
Alright, let's enjoy this beautiful evening with an ugly person like
Oh,
Shizma.
shut up, you are ugly.
Shizma, let's see if they let us enter in the museum or not.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Talk to me. You're going to talk to them in English.
My English is very, very weak.
No, it's not weak. You need to
You know,
talk.
my rishtedar, my relatives feel very shy and angry because I'm not speak English properly.
Why is that?
Because my relatives is.
Your Pila school?
Oh yeah, shut up, okay, Pila school.
अगर म्यूजियम देखना है तो 10 रुपए का टिकट है. Shizma, what's your take on it? They are charging 10 rupees for a ticket.
AC भी नहीं है.
English?
There is no AC freaking hotness.
Oh my God! ये Cadillac car 1947 Qaeda-Azam.
Qaeda-Azam की है?
हाँ.
कहाँ लिखा हुआ है?
ओए होए Cadillac गाड़ी है. पर्सनल गाड़ी. माशाल्लाह Qaeda-Azam के कपड़े.
हाँ तो खूबसूरत Qaeda-Azam है ना, handsome.
क्या?
Handsome बंदा है.
English.
Face cut is very good and he's so handsome.
जब वकील थे वो कपड़े में. Shizma, this is the drawing room set of Qaeda-Azam.
ये ड्राइंग रूम है Qaeda-Azam का.
English, please, English.
This is the setup of drawing room of Qaeda-Azam. ये क्या है?
This cigarette box. This is the cigarette box. Unfortunately, there is no AC or fans in this particular area और गर्मी लग रही है हद वाली यार. पंखा तो चला रहा है. 10 रुपए का टिकट है, माना फ्री नहीं है लेकिन 10 रुपए तो ले रहे होने यार. गलत है भाई. सुना था Qaeda-Azam को गोल्फ का बहुत शौक था, तो ये देखो गोल्फ स्टिक्स हैं. Do you know what is this? What is this called? Game.
Golf stick.
Golf. Spelling of golf.
GOLF. GOLF.
Oh my God. इनका बेड.
इनका कपल का बेड है. नहीं, ये तो सिंगल बेड है.
White thing. Yeah, Shizma, do you like the environment, the surroundings?
I like the Tom of Qaeda-Azam.
Tom and Jerry?
Tom है ना?
Tomb.
हाँ, Tomb of Qaeda-Azam.
Don't understand English?
It's very beautiful and the person was so great. इन्होंने हमें आज़ादी दिलवाई.
English. Shizma, where's the English?
give us freedom.
Qaid Azam couldn't speak Urdu. He used to speak in English. So that is the reason you speak.
Give us full of freedom. We live free.
What happened?
We feel fresh. Yeah. No restrictions. No.
What happened?
यार तुम बकवास ना करो यार.
English, please speak in English.
यार please don't spoil my mood.
भाईजान अगर आपने आना है इधर तो अपने चप्पलें लेनी है और वो टोकन देगा. टोकन तो फ्री है लेकिन आप अपनी तरफ से कुछ पैसे दे दो, बेचारे खड़े होते हैं तो क्या हुआ.
ये सामने. This is yes.
Shizma, are you tired?
हाँ यार, I am very tired and I am very thirsty
Why you are thirsty?
because I wanna drink water.
Yeah, you are famous. I remember. Should I tell you? You remember like there was a thirsty crow.
Yeah.
You're a crow? English.
Yes.
Why you're not looking at the camera and speaking English?
Because my English is very weak.
No, it's okay. You have told that 100 times. Now tell me how you're going to improve it.
This is the basic reason. Feel full of confidence and speak wrong English.
You don't have Qaid Azam ka mazar in Lahore, right?
We have Allama Iqbal tomb.
Yeah. So why not this Qaid Azam's tomb there?
Huh?
Why aren't there Qaid Azam's tomb there in Lahore?
Because Qaid Azam only one.
What do you mean by that?
Their grave in this.
Their grave?
Oh, cover. Grave in this building.
In this building? Okay. Okay. This is the building? Yes. What would you like to eat?
No, I don't wanna eat because I'm on diet.
Now, what would you like to have?
Mixed chaat.
How do you say it in English?
Mixed chaat.
Chaat. How do you say chaat in English?
Cocktail.
Cocktail. Is it tasty? What do we say it in English?
Crispy wrap with full of spices and flavored water.
Water balls.
Water balls.
क्या?
Water balls.
Water balls.
Water balls.
Water balls. कैसा है? Would you like to have some tea?
Yes, obviously because I'm very tired.
So what tiredness has to do with tea?
क्या?
What tiredness has to do with tea?
समझ नहीं आई.
You said you're tired. So what the tiredness has to do with the tea? What happened? Your English is finished? Yeah? You didn't understand the question. I'll tell you in Urdu. टायर्ड जो हो गई हो उसका क्या ताल्लुक चाय से?
यार इस निकोटीन होती है ना.
So you can smoke if you want to.
No, I don't want to smoke.
What do you do?
Take a tea.
Huh?
Take a tea.
Take a tea?
यार बस कर दो यार अभी. थक गई हूँ मैं. मेरे से नहीं इंग्लिश बोली जा रही.
Did you like the tea, Shizma?
Yeah, obviously
Can you speak a little louder?
it's very tasty.
Tasty? Yeah. You need to learn supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
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 You're good at ratta.
I'm very brilliant in reptilization.
हाँ तुम ही रखो.
डर लग रहा है.
कुछ नहीं होता.
डर लग रहा है.
जाओ कुछ नहीं होता. ये
मुझे डर लग रहा है.
कुछ नहीं होता. नहीं काटता. जाओ. शिज़मा कुत्ते को खाना डालने जा रही है. रख दो जाओ. रख दो. रखो ना. रखोगी.
मैं नहीं जा रही. ना
रखो,
भाई.
कुछ नहीं होता.
नहीं भाई तुम जाओ. मैं नहीं जा रही भाई.
भाई एक कुत्ते के लिए बोटी रख दी है. अभी पाकी मैन बहुत आ रहा है. गेम आ रही है पाकी मैन.
So what?
तुम कह रही हो इसको लेके नहीं जाना?
पाकी मैन जाएगा.
कौन टट्टी में?
अरे तुम्हारा भाई नहीं आ रहा. पाकी मैन आ रहा है.
ओके.
14.
अरे अबे यू डोंट स्पीक उर्दू. दिस इज एन इंग्लिश व्लॉग.
अच्छा नहीं वो 14
इंग्लिश प्लीज स्पीक इन इंग्लिश.
Pakiman came into being on 14 August 2025.
Shizma, reply him. Shizma, reply him.
I'm not in a talk to with you.
We are taking Pakiman to the farmhouse.
I hate you, Ashir, now.
Now?
I hate you too. I hate you too. You are funny girl.
You लाडी कुरंगी के बंदर.
English.
Yeah, same to you.
You chimpanzee.
You same to you.
What are you doing now?
I am getting a massage. Please do the commentary. What's happening in English?
The man putting the oil.
He hasn't put any oil. What he's doing
He,
right now?
putting the oil at your head and
He's not putting the oil right now. What he's doing right now?
massage.
All right, brother. See you tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah.
Shizma, let's go.
हाँ चलते हैं.
In English, please.
Yes, let's go.
Shizma, did you like the English vlog today? I'm asking you something.
Yeah, little bit.
Little bit what? Now it's the time for the comment section. We are going to read out the comments of our fellow relatives. All right?
तो ये बहुत अच्छा व्लॉग था आज का.
English. यही तो game.
That was the good vlog for today. Thank you for wish,
क्या हुआ?
but आपको 19 अगस्त आएंगे, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. कहाँ जाएंगे?
He is asking us to come to Lahore.
No, because we have no budget.
No budget.
हसन 565 दावत में याद रखना.
English, please.
Shiraz Meman 5960. Shizma is real, no fakeness. Yunus bhai, please respect her. English. So what? She has weak English, but
यार उर्दू में पढ़ ले शिज़मा. उर्दू में पढ़ ले.
प्रेसिडेंट नहीं बन सकती बनना इनको. उज़ैर पाकिस्तान गेमिंग 85F. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. तवक्कल का पुलाव सरजानी में है. यूज्ड कार मार्केट जहां लगते हैं बट अच्छे. और शिज़मा आपको 5 kg जब तक कम नहीं होगा जब तक आप जंक फूड बंद नहीं करते.
हाँ जी. We are going to clear out all the junk food from our life. And inshallah 5 days 5 kg challenge.
माइंड फ्रीक नेक्स्ट व्लॉग कोयटा.
Inshallah.
अदनान भाई अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. वाओ अनदर बेस्ट व्लॉग. मजा आ गया. पाकी मैन को मिस कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, Paki man. I don't know why Shizma doesn't like Paki man. Why don't you like Paki man? Why do you don't like it?
It's my choice.
Why it's your choice?
It's look like a pendu production.
It looks like a.
It's look like a pendu production.
ऐसे नहीं बोलते. Don't say such things, please, Shizma.
Mind freak, you make an excellent vlog. Yunus, the content is outstanding and totally natural.
Thank you.
Kamran Arai 1684. Shizma ऐसे नहीं करो.
क्या किया इसने?
मैंने क्या किया कामरान, मुझे जरा बताओ.
Please explain क्या किया इसने ऐसा?
हमजा बेग K9K. शिज़मा पर
Shizma पे क्या?
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
दिखाओ मुझे.
नहीं.
Shizma दिखाओ.
नहीं.
No. You have to read the comment.
बेग K9K. शिज़मा पर और 7 फुटिया पर पाद मार दे. यूनस तुम एक काम करो, इस हमजा पे पाद मार. इसको लगता है पादों का बहुत शौक है.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलते.
खास तौर पे तुम मुझे मिलो सही. मूलियों के पराठे खा के ना तुम्हारे पास बैठी ना तो मेरा नाम बदल देना.
So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, you're making the biggest mistake of your life. Recently her sister subscribed our channel. What happened with her?
I don't know.
What, something good happened with your sister?
Yes.
What happened?
I don't know.
So if you want something good in your life, subscribe right now. I want to say something, Shizma.
What?
That's all from my side. Thank you once again. Take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Subscribe. But before that, Shizma, why don't you end the vlog today?
I don't know.
That's all from my side.
That's all from my side. Please subscribe and share my channel. Love you.
And Khato.
And Kato,
How was your experience? Just tell me in one line.
the whole day.
The whole day.
About the whole day.
Yes, about the whole day.
यार वैसे तो
English, please. English is I'm going by.
I feel very hot air.
Oh dear.
गरम हवा चल रही है.
यार